Here's a completely free AI social media post generator that can help you create social posts in seconds. It can give you post ideas, writes multiple versions of each post, and even does the hashtag research for you instantly. TikTok, X, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, it does it all. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can find it and how to use it. Let's go. Welcome, my name is Kevin, and on this channel, I show you the best strategies and tools you can use to start and grow a business online. Let's face it, generating social media content can be tough, and sometimes you're just sitting there drawing a blank, staring at that blinking cursor like, what am I exactly going to say in this post? Well, that's where this amazing free social media generator can help. It's literally going to do everything for you, and to get access to it, you just need to click the link in the description down below. And this generator is actually free. There are no logins needed, or you don't have to jump through any hoops or give up your email address or anything like that. So using the post generator couldn't be any easier, and there's a few different ways to do it, and I'm going to show you all of them. The first is if you simply already know what you want, then you can just type it in. Let's say you are a life coach and you're like, write me a Instagram caption about the top 3 benefits of meditation. And so let's say you want to make that a little bit witty. You want hashtags done for you, emojis, you want 3 posts, you hit generate, and boom, there you go. You get 3 messages done right for you, and you can copy these with the hashtags and everything. Now, so that's the first way if you know exactly what you want. But often we don't know what we want, and that's where all of these prompt templates come in, and they're organized in a few different ways. You can actually go by platform, so you can see Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, so on. Or you can go by objective, so if you want to rewrite something, edit something, explain it, and add, summarize. Or you can go by kind of special occasions like a holiday, or an objective like an inspirational thing, or by what your business is. Let's say you're a business coach, a lifestyle coach, an entrepreneur. So you can really start with a different template depending on the angle you want to approach this from. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps get the video out to more people and kind of motivates me to make more content like this for you. And consider subscribing to the channel for a lot more content just like this. Now let's hop right back into the video. So let's say we wanted to go with Instagram and we wanted to actually get some ideas. So generate 10 viral Instagram reel ideas about topic. And let's just say it's about the keto diet and we are a fitness influencer, for example. I like to use these examples because people generally understand them and they're applicable pretty much to everyone in terms of everyone's probably wanted to get into better shape. So kind of helps as an example. So you can see here tons of different ideas for some Instagram reels. Likewise, now let's say you wanted to create some quizzes on keto, or better yet, create a poll or quiz related to what is the best diet for Instagram for you. Let's say you want to make it personal. Best diet. What's wrong with me? For you, for Instagram. And we include the same things, right? Which is the best diet for you? Boom, it just made you a quiz that you can post to keep things more interactive. Now let's choose another prompt type. Let's go with entrepreneurs. Create a post that promotes my upcoming 7-day passive income challenge. I'm just making something up. Let's say you're like a business coach or something like that. And you can just hit go and boom, it's written it for you. It's done hashtags and everything. So that right there is, you can go based on that. And honestly, we could spend an hour here coming up with different prompt templates, but I think I've shown you the basics here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Whatever you need, you just click on it and it will do it for you. And so using this tool, you're never gonna run out of social media post ideas, and creating them is going to be super easy. But it's still only doing half the work for you, because you still gotta log into each of these platforms manually, copy and paste these, set up the hashtags and everything for each platform. But what if I told you there's a way easier way to do that, and that is with using a cool little tool called SocialBee that actually has this exact same post generator built in. So using SocialBee, you can actually easily hook up all your different social media platforms, and you can publish your content directly to all your platforms from just one menu. So let's say you want to create a post for Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Let's say we want to go with those. And well, we need to create our content. So what we do is very simply, we go to our AI tool, generate captions. Let's say we want to do Pinterest, say, write an inspirational post about waking up early as an entrepreneur. Let's just come up with something. And let's say you want it to be, you want to be motivating, right? And so you want to generate hashtags, you want to include emojis, you want to go. And let's say we pick this one, and then boom, there we go. We have this post right here. We can take this, throw it in all of our portals right here, and we just add a title because it's Pinterest. We got to add a board, add a title, Monday motivation, let's say. And of course with Instagram, you'll notice, and with Pinterest, that we need to add an image. Well, SocialBee makes this super easy too, because not only can that AI generator, like you saw, instantly generate it and put it right into your post, you can actually generate images as well. And what's cool is it's going to actually suggest the image and generate it for you. So you can see it read your post, it knows what it's about. Let's say you want to just generate 2 images. You hit generate, it takes a few seconds. And so you can see here, it's generated something, and you could use that, or you can play around with the image editor as well. It's just a quick thing it's generated for you. And boom, that's thrown in there as you see. And so that's how easy it is. And then you can play around here and change up the post for each of your platforms if you'd like. And when you're ready, you can schedule the post, or you can actually send it out instantly. It's all up to you. Now, another cool thing it does right here is called requeue after posting. So if these posts are something that you want to recycle, it's going to take this post and you can set it on a queue where every so often it will recycle and repost it. So you never have to go back and post it. It'll automatically create variations for it. There's so much to it that's really going to help automate your workflow. Now, one other thing I want to show you is it actually puts everything in a nice calendar for you, and it's organized by category. And what makes this really, really cool is you can actually build content in bulk for each of your categories. So you could spend an hour and create tons of social media posts for each of your categories, and then queue it, and then set it and forget it, because then it's just gonna go down your queue, take all your content, post it per the schedule you have, and every week you're going to have content going out, and you only have to batch this maybe once a month or maybe a couple of times a month if you want to do it more frequently. And it's really that easy. And with the requeuing feature, it's going to take some posts that you want to show over and over again, and I'll show those again. So you literally have weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks of social media content just done for you with very little effort on your part. And SocialBee also makes it super easy to engage, because all of your comments and mentions and likes will all be shown here so that you can directly engage with anyone who's commenting on your content without having to log into each individual platform. This tool has been a game changer for me, because as an entrepreneur or marketer, you never seem to have enough time. You're always fighting against the clock. And this ability to batch create content in seconds using AI and then schedule it for several weeks in advance has freed up so much time for me without having to be a slave to social media, constantly logging into each of these platforms. And if this sounds awesome to you and you want to try SocialBee, just click the link in the description below and you can get a 14-day free trial. You don't need a credit card or anything. You can just play around with it and see how much you like it. So just click the link below and you'll be taken here. Then just click sign up here, enter your email address and your password, and hit create account, and instantly you'll be taken into SocialBee and you can start setting up your profiles with a few clicks. And I got one more bonus offer for you. After your trial ends, if you want to continue using SocialBee, you love it, and you want to opt to get a paid plan, I can give you 20% off, and here's how you can get that. So once you're logged in, go to license and then pick a plan. Let's just say that you want this plan here, hit select plan, and then enter the promo code Kevin20x12, hit apply. And so you'll get 20% off instantly every single month. And what makes this such a great offer is it's actually cheaper than signing up for an entire year. You get a 16% discount by signing up for the whole year. Here with my code, you're getting 20% off and you're not locked in for a year if in case you do want to cancel at any time. So click the link in the description down below. Get the 14-day free trial and use the coupon code after your trial ends if you want to continue using SocialBee. And trust me, you will. So that's how easy it is to create and post social media content. If you have any questions about the AI post generator in SocialBee, drop your comments down below and I make it a point to personally respond to each and every one. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Now head on over there. I got a ton more tool tutorials and strategies you can use to grow your business. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.